Hey, it's Lisa here with update 3 of my Vampire Love painting. And as you can see, it looks amazing. Look at this beautiful part of her dress. It's amazing. And you can see the skirt, you can see the candlelights. You can see the hands. It's really amazing. It's a beautiful painting. It's really a dark painting also, but I really love it. And I always have loved vampire paintings because I think they are so beautiful. And wow, look, you can see the hands and the nails on the hands. It's really amazing. And wow, I don't know how to say, because it's really a beautiful painting. I really love it. And the beads is amazing. The glue is really good. There are no bubbles on anything who can be wrong with this canvas. It is amazing. And I'm really happy that I have done so much of it. And I can already see it will be a beautiful painting. I really love it. I'm really amazed by it. It's so beautiful. So beautiful. And this is 50 by 70 centimeters. And I don't know how many colors there are in it, but I will say it in one of my other videos. But it really is amazing. I love this. So, wow, beautiful. So that was all for today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, or you can comment down below, or you could subscribe. And I'll see you soon. Bye!